To create educational videos, OBS is a quite useful software. It's freely available, so we can type in Google OBSstudio. So this is the page that will take you to the Open Broadcaster software. So it's available for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. So for Windows system, we can click here and download the related file. As you can see, here we can download. It's around 70.1 MB. So we can download it and install. After the installation is over, we can open this OBS Studio. Here already I have opened, and then there is something like scenes, sources. So in the sources, in order to capture the screen, the computer screen, we need to add screen capture. So there is a option called screen capture. Just click on that option. So here it's already clicked. So this is the screen capture option, and audio will be recorded automatically. We don't have to do anything about the audio. So this OBS Studio will run in the background, so we can minimize this, and whatever we do on the computer screen will be recorded in the video. And in order to use this Xournalpp, so we can type in Google Xournalpp for Windows. So there is a link here, Xournalpp. If we go to this link, we can download the necessary files for the Xournalpp, and we can install it for Windows. So here already I have installed it. So in order to use it, just open this Xournalpp, and you will see a screen of this type, and go to file, then open. From there you select the lesson that you want to lecture on. So it's preferably it should be a PDF file. So here we have the PDF file here selected. So we can select it from the locations where we have stored. So here I have stored it in this location, online classes, 4th sem honors. So from this location I select this. So immediately this file will come up, and there will be a scroll bar. The whole PDF file will come here, and from there we can start the lecture. And there are some options for marking. So this is the pen option. Then these are the color options. So we can select any color and make the markings. So in pen option there is another option like stroke recognizer. So what it does is, while marking with the mouse or the touchpad, the line may not be straight, it may be curved. So it will recognize that line and make it a curved one. If it is too much curved, it will not do. Say this one, it was a curved line, so it will make it straight. So for that we need to select stroke recognizer. Suppose we want to mark some points on the node. Say I want to highlight this part, so we can use a circle here. We can change the colors. Suppose I want to highlight with an arrow. Say this way, I can highlight this with an arrow. Then suppose I want to make it full screen, so it's full screen now. Then back again to normal mode. Then the markings that I have made, that they can be erased using this eraser. We can erase the markings that we have done, or we can use the Ctrl Z option. Ctrl Z will reverse the action. So here I have deleted, Ctrl Z, it's again added. And we suppose during the lecture we need to add some text which was not there in the node, say real analysis. So we can add such text. Everything will appear in the video. Suppose I want to add some LaTeX code. Then say I want to write something like x square plus y cube. Okay, then this particular text will be printed here, and it will appear on the video also. So we can remove it again using the select object option. So select this and press delete, it will get deleted. So that is how it works, and we can go about lecturing and marking, highlighting the points that we want to emphasize. Suppose I want to emphasize on these points, IR equal to XR minus 1 XR, so I just underline it this way. So there is a option for highlighter also. Suppose I want to highlight this, so we can increase the width also of this medium. This is fine, medium, thick. So if I choose thick option, the thick option will be highlighted. So that way we can create our own online videos, which is helpful for the students. So if we want, we can save this, or we can just discard.